Alright, this is AD2K Tech, and my hard drive enclosure came today, so I'm getting ready to plug it up to the Xbox, but the whole point of my review was to take an old hard drive from a laptop I had and use it, and as you can see, it's 500 gigs, so where's safe? Oh, and as you can see, it's 3.0 USB enclosure. And it's on. And it should pop up. There we go. And it say format hard drive. Format storage device. And on the name AD. Install new things here or keep current location. Let me see. I'm gonna keep current location for right now. Formatting is done. You'll be able to use the games and apps on add with any Xboxone plug into it. Okay. Format storage device. And hold on to it. And it shows up. AD 465 gigabytes free. All storage together, total is 609 gigabytes. So let's see something. My games, my apps. Switch to internal. And I'm gonna move. This is actually a UFC demo. Actually, I'm gonna move a full game. This game right here. Messed up. Manage game. Internal. Move all. I'm gonna move it. And as you see, it pops up on the side, moving. It's 2.6 gigs. Actually moving faster than what I expected to move for it to be 2.6 gigs. And it's gone off of here. Click all. Actually, do it individually. AD, cherry is right there, and I'm gonna try to play it straight off. I ain't even moved my saved data. I only played like one. I ain't played much of it. Everything working fine. No problems here. No problems here. Alright. That's it. It's AD2K talking to you about how to plug up an external hard drive to your Xbox from out of an old laptop and buying the enclosures. Check out part 1 if you didn't see anything I did and how I got the hard drive.